Hi, so let me ask you something. Have you ever dreamt of having an extra source of monthly income along with your current 9 to 5 job? Just to fund that amazing foreign trip that has been on your bucket list for so long now? Or maybe just to cover some unexpected expenses? Well, in any case, you are not alone. We are living in a time where things are moving fast. Prices are rising, inflation is real, and the 9 to 5 grind, it just doesn't cut it anymore. And now more than ever, we all need a side hustle, an extra source of passive income, so that we don't need to completely rely on our 9 to 5 jobs to run our everyday lives. Now, I'm not talking about something like freelance gigs or even the whole startup thing. No, I'm talking about something that is way easier and way smarter. I'm talking low efforts, doesn't require hours of training, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's where artificial intelligence comes in. Yes, you heard me right. AI isn't just for tech geeks and big corporations anymore. In fact, it is the easiest and simplest way to start a side hustle in 2025. Imagine using tools that do the heavy lifting for you, whether it is content creation, designing graphics, or even managing tasks. And guess what? You can do it anywhere while you're traveling or from the comfort of your home. It sounds pretty amazing, right? Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Selena and in this week's video, we are going to discuss how you can get rich in 2025 with side hustles and the use of artificial intelligence. So let's jump right in. On number 1, we have content creation. Content creation is in high demand. Businesses, influencers, and brands are constantly looking for fresh blog posts and engaging social media captions. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can quickly create high quality content. ChatGPT helps generate ideas, write blog posts, and even write social media posts, and you can tailor them as and how you need it. You can offer services like social media post writing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and earn anywhere from between rupees 800 to 8,000 per work. Now, this depends on the level of complexity of the work and your skill level. As you gain experience, your rates can increase, with some professionals earning around rupees 70,000 or more a month. And with AI doing the heavy lifting, you can focus on scaling your side hustle and earning extra income. On number 2, we have selling AI generated products. Nowadays, there is a big demand for unique eye-catching designs for things like t-shirts, mugs, and posters. And this is because most of the YouTubers and content creators these days have a personal brand. And they want it to get recognized through their own unique style. And so they want their designs to be on these posters, mugs, and t-shirts that they can sell. With AI tools like Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, and DALL-E, you can easily create amazing designs in no time. These tools will help you make designs that people will love and want to buy. You can also set up your own shop on Etsy by selling your products there. And you can earn anywhere from rupees 500 to rupees 5,000 per design, depending on how popular your products are. On number 3, we have social media management. Now, social media management is booming and businesses are constantly looking for ways to boost their online presence. With tools like Buffer, you can streamline content scheduling, automate posts, and even analyze the performance of your social media posts. By offering AI-powered social media services, you can earn anywhere between rupees 50,000 to rupees 2 lakhs a month, depending on the number of your clients. On number 4, we have resume writing. Resume writing and job application help is in high demand as professionals and fresh graduates want to stand out in this competitive job market. Using AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva, you can create tailored resumes, cover letters, and job applications that actually stand out. ChatGPT helps generate personalized content, and Canva allows you to create visually appealing and professional looking templates. You can promote your services on LinkedIn or on local job groups, charging between rupees 500 to 1500 per application or report. As you gain experience, your services can extend to career coaching or even interview preparation, with some experienced people earning around rupees 30,000 a month or more. On number 5, we have AI-powered tutoring services. Now, these are becoming increasingly popular as students and professionals look for more personalized and affordable learning options. By using AI tools like Khan Academy's AI Tutor and Duolingo AI, you can teach languages, coding, and academic subjects all online. Khan Academy's AI Tutor offers tailored lessons in subjects like maths and science. And Duolingo AI is used for learning languages like Spanish or French. You can promote your services on tutoring platforms like Preply or directly through social media. By teaching subjects like English, math, or programming, you can earn between Rs 30,000 to Rs 1,50,000 a month, depending on the number of subjects and the number of students. The next two options are a bit advanced. So if you are fluent with technology or finance, the next two options might be right for you. On number 6, we have AI training and customization. Now this is a lucrative side hustle. Now with more businesses using AI, there is a huge demand for AI experts who can customize AI models to fit a company's specific needs. Using AI tools like OpenAI and Hugging Face to create custom AI models, you can help companies like healthcare, retail, and even education. Along with this, you will also need a basic understanding of the programming language Python and a good understanding of the client's industry. Your job will be to talk to businesses and understand what they need, like a bot for healthcare or a product recommendation tool for some retail store. Next, you'll need to adjust the pre-trained AI model to make it work for the business using their data. You can earn around Rs 2 lakh or more depending on how complex a project gets. With AI tools making customization easier, this side hustle is a big way of earning big money and helping businesses innovate. Last but not the least, we have stock market analysis with AI. So stock market analysis is evolving with AI day by day. AI makes it easier to identify trends and make smart, strategic trading decisions. Tools like Zerodha Streak simplify algorithmic trading for beginners. AlgoTrader provides advanced trading solutions, and Quant Connect builds a platform to test and deploy your trading algorithms. You can also offer services like personalized trading strategies or data-backed investment advice on platforms like Upwork. You can earn anywhere between Rs 50,000 to Rs 5 lakhs a month, depending on your expertise and the success rate of your strategies. To wrap up, AI is making it easier than ever to start a side hustle no matter your skill set. Whether you are into content creation, trading, or tech, there is a path for you to earn and grow. And the benefits are crystal clear. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and use AI tools to boost your productivity. Start today, learn along the way, and with just some effort, you will be able to build a profitable venture. That was all for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it and got to learn something new this week. And if you did, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back next week with another exciting video. Till then, thank you for watching and see you again.